In this video, we will start to explore how you can use the SUMPRODUCT function. So let's look at our situation here. Right now, we have our data, and we can see here the products we're offering in our shop, the amount of sales we make this week, and the selling price per product, with one extraordinary price of $100. So what can we do here to calculate the total products and the total earnings? To do this, we need the following. We need to multiply this amount, the 11 sold items, multiplied by the time or by the price of $2.50. And once we did that, we do them for each of them. We have the total amount, and then you get the total revenue of that week. However, in Excel, you can use a function called SUMPRODUCT to do exactly the same as what we're going to do first manually, and then we can compare them. So what we have to do is we have to select this, the 11, multiplied by the selling price, and we can see now the total amount. If we drag these down here, and I'm selecting this square here and drag them down, so it would duplicate the formula for any next row. And in here, we can now add them up all together. So we do a sum total. So use the sum or the sigma button. And you can see the total revenue of selling these products is $526. So this is a lot of work. And how can we do it faster? Well, let me show you exactly how we can do it immediately. Is the SUMPRODUCT, open parentheses, and then what we have to do is here, let's click on here so you can see it more clear. You will see here array 1, and then later on will be array number 2. Basically, array 1 is all the products we're sold, and then the price matching with the product. So we select here the second array where we have the price. Once we do that, close that and enter, and now you can see the exact same value as what we did here. So this will save you a lot of time and a lot of space. If you like tips and tricks regarding to Excel, like these kind of videos, subscribe to my channel, or if you have a question or struggle with something, post them in the comment section and I'll make sure I'll get back to you.